Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Wednesday, August the 24th. Stocks surged yesterday, made new all-time highs in the E-mini S&P anyways, backed off, drifted throughout this rest of the session, ended up finishing about a quarter percent positive across the board, but giving up those early gains. Looking at the markets, we were real quiet yesterday. We've got Janet Yellen speaking on Friday. Everybody's waiting to see what's going to happen there. Most likely nothing, obviously. Currencies were quiet. The action was in the crude oil market. Crude oil made some new relative lows, or 4 or 5 session lows after going up every day last week. Actually went down to 46.50 and reversed and closed higher on the day yesterday. So that's an interesting development. We'll want to see how that reversal holds from here. It was up about 1.5%. Other markets were steady. We had gold hanging right around the 1345 level. Treasuries not moving much. Now this morning, Wednesday morning, we've got the markets quiet in the stock indexes. Right now we're up 2 points in the E-mini S&P, up 10 in the Dow futures, and up 5 in the NASDAQ with half an hour to go before the cash stock market open. But we're seeing a bit of movement in crude once again. Crude oil right now is trading lower. It's down 2%, trading around the $47. Let's keep an eye on yesterday's low. That should be a near-term support to keep an eye on at 46.50. And then the 45 level is kind of the halfway mark from this recent rally run from $40 to $50. Also on the move is gold. Gold's down $10, breaking out of this wedge. 1350 had been an apex point, and now it's pushing to the downside. Over the last month and a half, almost 2 months, gold's traded between 1320 and 1380, trying to find its next area of direction. Today we have the dollar up a bit, 94.75. Pushing on that 95 level, so we'll see if that dollar strength obviously is hurting the gold market and the oil market so far. So to wrap up the current action, with half an hour to go before the cash stock market opens, stocks are steady and quiet. Not much news as far as fundamentals. Earnings season restarts again in October. Again, we've got the Wyoming meeting, the Fed, Ms. Yellen speaking on Friday, giving some hints as far as what interest rate action may do, and it looks like the market's taking a pause ahead of that. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.